I think the reason why Joe Weider was so successful was obviously, number one, he had Arnold on his side. Arnold was the poster boy for bodybuilding. Arnold, he had the look, he had the smile, he had the physique, he had the personality, he had the charm, and he had the charisma. I also think that Joe Weider did have a lot of other pro bodybuilders under his belt. And to the naive customer, to the naive potential bodybuilder, if you will, a lot of those pro bodybuilders in their eyes were very achievable physiques. I believe that it was more marketing than science that got people to buy the products. It was the just the grandeur thought that I can look like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Great, there's science mumbo jumbo. I don't know what that means. I really don't care what that means. It sounds great to me, but regardless, I want to look like Arnold Schwarzenegger, so that's why I'm going to take these products.